Sechirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya Crown Prince nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boyiko kire chichi brand ao ekyo kire chingiya kirage chirangi chiga nigo kire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba kire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo kiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo kire kurwase kire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri ry'abantu batinu mwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete ni ukwaya nyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use kire chibyasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetra seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbota hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Television karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mugaso rituko rya Jumatano tariki 14 mutinye yiga ogatano mwaka w'ekirubere 2025 karibu sana irinde nyara ukomanya ali agenderete kurwa ase orogongo rwagusi tukoria mangana buna siasa amangana yobonchorera nebintu binde binge nabo igo kurwa ase Chinsa mochinde ime yense ya Kenya nchingoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa na kurwa ase nsemo yebimanyererio nere Wilson Makori na kurwa studio ya kabiri nere Barnabas Ondari na omwancho murigere nekero ungo chaka nigo bono abaonchoreria hosensemo yabaonchoreria kurwa ase Chinsemo cha market aigase omuchebusongo bono besokire na gusanga ebirengerero byabo igoro yaye omwaziri omukoro Dr. Fred Matiang'i kuboria ekiro kyoburayi wense ase obuchori obonene buri bosio korengana na barabo nigo bono banyarire goteba kuna Dr. Fred Matiang'i nabonete kwegwa amaskania areisaine ikiagera na isaine kuboria ekiro gekyo nabo igonekero waboririe egati yabarai kurwa igase orogongo rwa gusifanya rekonekia kuna bamoire esiko eri abwenerete hanamono bakumurikira omujumbe o South Mugirango omoske Silvanas Osoro nabo igo okuboria kwabo gochase abasae banyare kubwata ebibande chinga kechiga eri gusira egesaku kyo mugusi ase obochori wanene bori bosio
Matiang'i power Matiang'i power injasa marietane igonkoro kumesha kiyoge koru Kisii market ande nondo muraibwe town ima yaito ya bosongo abantu baminto ngote batore Matiang'i asikwe ngote batore Matiang'i asikwe atebirio mheshimiwa Osoro Asikengo Matiangi. Asikengo Matiangi. Igatogo teba osoro no mojumbo koro kwa Chabet. No mojumbo koro kusairi chanda. Na kitogo teba.
Mheshimiwa Matiangi anafaa aheshimiwe kabisa. Juu sasa ndio mtu wetu, hata sisi tumeona na ndio tunategemea. Kwa hivyo Matiangi afanye nini?
Aheshimike.
Maleta ni gongoro kupidi sinyabuto. Kwa Kisii Municipal Market. Icheni gongo tebaiga. Omugambie to Matiangi akoreki.
Asikwe.
Akara tu amosikire. Nonyine abana baito bali barese chinyomba. Babeire myaka gwetanya 18. Bose babwateki.
Ebibande.
Babwatire ibande unaitwa mogusi. Twezi pito ko berese Matiangi. Abira Josi amuitabire. Egasi alingi nigakote egasi ngiye ekagera bakenya banzi bakamwancha. Akaberese education agakole egasi ngiya. Akabera itire agakole egasi ngiya.
Mwancho murigeria gutigara asengane yo ya Dr. Fred Matiangi na boigo oyore omo MCA we wodi ya Bokimonge moske Dr. Amos Onderi nere nigo anyare gusingirira engane yo ya Dr. Fred Matiangi kuboria ikirgo kiburai bwense nigo atebire moske Matiangi nigo akorire miremo ase egatiechi wizara chiria bereka okorera ase serikali yaeta na boigo nigo arebono umurayora chikoba omuya na goikirania magendero ase Chinsa au ime ya Kenya.
When I mangana na inde na kwana about 2 weeks ago. Engana ngani yo mheshimiwa Matiangi yo ikaransa semesene ne yo burai wense ya rokanire. Na inde talent tweka bagusito go tebanga Matiangi sande ko president. By the way, when I mangana bulinga aba kwana Matiangi sende ko president a conversation ye ya chakirete outside usi. Naba ikoyo na wale nyombe nene sana ya a population ya abantu tubata 42 tribes chirase country ya Kenya. Na hinde simingire go twarigereri twande twatalira ndo kuiwe imonyo bigendera se country ye aba ikoyo batagete kora libya indo mweshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiangi. Naba ikoyo nabantu babwate close to 5 million votes. Oize kora about the other 5 counties chia ikoyo. The other 5 counties already chibata 4 million votes. Lakini wise kobeka even aspects of Tharaka Nithi na Nyeri na Nyeri na Meru chikwende Mount Kenya yonse na Nairobi umete Nairobi ebwate 2.4 million votes. Na out of those 2.4 million votes okonyoranga aba ikoyo barabange mono. Amayoja Kiambu yoka. Kiambu buna a county Kiambu ebwate 1.8 million voters. Chikura chiaba ikoyo ababata birenga ntutegete go support yo mugusi nabantu banda soko Matiangi chikura nije wogire yuko chinyinge sana iyo ndiyo kanale kuboria abagusi ba mintu asenge ncho abantu bandi chikabira kindi cyarolire obwene nko mugusi na isaine and in the manner in which Mheshimiwa Matiangi perform kiralenga se Ministry for Interior and the Ministry for Education, and when he was given the executive order to act like the one in charge of government business nto arore merememe na akora se country igo ntegete batebanga na ninche na arorire kegima buna abantu baitu ba support ntegete kuboria abantu baitu ritangani turara support na intwe omwano ito it becomes very easier to bargain kuna baone karo koleta na tarire iga na arora other areas no ne chibeza chigo cha Chinsa the grassroots kana bo mu MCA kibindi karigia eta na Matiangi karale one of the very senior ministers akakulete binte bingega huduma center yetu bwatega iga akaleta central bank yetu bwatega Bosongo central bank yetu bwatega iga. It was actually an activity ya Matiangi state lodge ya gachirege iga ngaki ya Matiangi, and you remember how Matiangi was very focal in terms yo kalete state lodge iga school ya nari
Mwancho murigeria gutigana nayo Dr. Fred Matiangi ni gobono muwaziri wobocheno muske Eden Doale obos edituko riarero anyare goika obosio obwe senate ne kirobono agenderete kwerera igati yaria agokorekana ase wizara yobocheno ni gobono anyare kumanya abakenya buna nigo abakenya wetania chimilioni emerongibere na ibere bono banyare kwerikia ase umoroberio umuya bobowenia umoroberio osha na igo nekero anyare goteba ase goseri twaserinde nigo abakenya bagenderete kwerikia anse yo moroberio yo nabo igo kwerera igati ye emiroberio gose gasi ya serikali asoko ne kiabuna omuroberio iga osha onyarire gwikirana na boigo abo bisa bonsi bari banyare kurikwa inse iyo muroberio gose patenirete amangana yaiga asha.
Ngaos, as they are known, have been instrumental in advancing the implementation of the Social Health Authority, having successfully registered 12 million households during the initial phase of the rollout of the universal health coverage. As of 12th May 2025, registration stands at 22,199,252. Honorable Speaker, every day, save for Saturday and Sunday, between 40 to 50,000 Kenyans register voluntarily. Honorable Speaker, in relation to their terms of engagement, the National Government Administration officers have been responsible for the following functions. They help us coordinate UHC registration, and we leverage on their extensive network across all the 47 counties. Ngaos are spearheading the registration of Kenyans into Social Health Authority. They help us in community sensitization. They are playing a very vital role in educating communities about the transition from NHIF, defined NHIF, to SHA, addressing the misconceptions and encouraging active participation in the registration process. Honorable Speaker, they help our members. They help us in monitoring and reporting. Both at the regional and the county commissioners are tasked with the daily monitoring of registration progress and working together with the community health promoters and other health care workers. They submit regular reports to ensure that the attainment of the 12 million households target. And finally, they help us in community engagement. Ngaos are actively engaging with the communities to dispel misinformation and promote understanding of the benefits of UHC, thereby encouraging widespread participation in the registration process.
Uskabusio umukonyi bumurai bwense umusikie kidhure kindiki nigo bono anyarire kwera buna nigo eserikali yiga insi y'uburai bwaye umusikie William Ruto yanyarire kurika abarimu goikira ekerengo kiechiribu 52 na Isano nemo nekiro bono anyarire gusekera ringi kuyakwana yakoro ase county ya Nakuru na boigo nekiro atebire chinga kiechiga nigo eserikali erobereti gwikirania chira chonsi chiricha yabirige koliera abakenya na boigo ekiro aigete nande ase county ya Nyandarua naro nanyarite gukwanira enchira abana siasa gose egatia barai bagendete kunyakoraria siasa ase chinsemo meyense ya Kenya korene nekiragoteba 18 chinga kicha magendero korende tari okonya waka eriogi ritagendero ase ense.
Miaka miwili ambao William Ruto amekuwa rais, serikali ya Kenya imeajiri walimu 76,000 teachers. Hakuna serikali ingine imeajiri walimu wengi kwa miaka miwili kuliko vile hii serikali imejitahidi. Wakati wa kampeni tulisema tutaajiri kwa miaka mitano walimu 1,116, 116,000 teachers. Already tumeajiri 76,000. Hii mwaka tutaajiri walimu wengine 24,000, ifike 100,000. So tutakuwa tumebakisha kwa ile target just 16,000 and we will complete that target and surpass it before 2027. Kuna watu wanataka tuingie siasa, tumekataa. Na sio ya kwamba tunaogopa. Wakati utafika tutamenyana. Kila mtu atoe record yake. Wewe Kindiki umekuwa deputy president 2.5 years. Barabara gani hapa Nyandarua umesukuma? Umesukuma masoko ngapi kajengwa hapa? Umesukuma shule ngapi zikajengwa? Si ndio? Ule mwingine na yeye ambiwe hata wewe ulikuwa kitu fulani. Ulitusukumia barabara ngapi? Ulitusukumia stima ngapi? Maji miradi ngapi? Lego kana tego. So please, it is not that we don't know how to politic. We know, and we are better.
Umwancho murigerera na so asensemo yobolemi ni gobono abalemi bemesi yarebo so ase company yesukari ya Chemilil bono banyarire korera eserikali nekero bakuboria mbarigeti wakanwa enengo yabo gose ensemo yechibesa chiribo bonete wakanwa ekero obarenge koira emesi yabo ase factory yo na Obaigwa ni gobono banyarire goteba tiba gochia gosuka kurwaroro eri gotigirira abaraya baya gosoaroro goika banyarire wakanwa amadeni onsi aria company yiga ebwate gochiase bare bonsi.
Procedure, there was no clear framework for payment of retirees' terminal benefits. Up to now, we are not aware how retirees are going to be paid their terminal benefits. And that is why we are saying that we are compelling the government that they pay us our salary arrears in full, plus all the terminal benefits pending for retirees. We are also saying that employees who are in service must be paid their terminal dues before they transit into the next dispensation. The first day that the leasee came in, we experienced very serious element of intimidation. Yes. The leasee came in, and some of the managers were told to hand over immediately. They have even went as far as locking the doors. They have even given instructions to management that they should stop approving any document.
The government is owing us an arrears. Those arrears were accrued when we worked and we have not been paid. We don't want the company to go to somebody's hand before we are being paid. If the investor is so much interested in this company, let him go to the government and ask the government to pay us so that they can be given the opportunity.
Mwancho murigerere ayona yanda mange to yanyore asinchira yoko ya chutia gekuraga Chinsa 10 chiarero maragoba na boigo na boko gendera ko yanyora ase Chinsa mochire cha Facebook na Getembe TV na boigo Chinsa mochire cha YouTube wetera Getembe TV na ndengo kuboria ase Chinsa mochire YouTube nyara ko subscribe go cha ase YouTube channel ya Getembe TV na boigo ko swaria Chinsa mocha Facebook nyara ago follow Getembe TV na boigo wetera enamba yetu ya studio na boko nyara ko bago tuikera abotambe enyorere Getembe digital app asisimi yawo yakopoko erinde onyare wesemia na emeroberi ao na boigo kwegokia asemeroberi ao ya Getembe mwancho murigire nekironda cyo kumwarigania DJ Reels na boigo Nicole bache ase umuroberi of vibes on vibes na boigo ngogotiga ase amaboko ya barabo erinde banyare kokogokia gose kokoretera amatera amaya yogo kogokia akigimanchenguru ko Matildah Obaigwa Wilson Makori korwa sensemo yebimanyerero na boigo nere ondari korwa ase studio ya kabere korine to basa goska ekirona kore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiriye amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebereye kende kensi uraganie bagotebereye company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuale ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate dumrang ayuale aye chigage emerungetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerungibire na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tarire rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyareko bagokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukejega ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucyo y'ubusongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amarietane, Neri Kimisuko, na Eri Kimisuko no Manyagetaria, Imeye Nyagetaria, Nuga Pesa.